Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Got the 1990 Acura NSX, man. You can't tell me you see these every day. And we got a surprise for y'all, man. Is it open? Oh, it's open. Who could tell me what that is? Oh, we gotta replace these window latches. Ooh, that's nice, man. Y'all see it? It's a K series, man. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all subscribe, hit the like button. We're gonna do a review on this video. We're gonna go over all the mods that she got. Show y'all a couple pulls. But just go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know I got y'all with a sound test. Oh, we had to clean the joint. Y'all know we got the joint looking spiffy. Y'all know what we do. Y'all know she's shining. Ow. Dang, this don't sit low like a spaceship. It feel like you in something crazy. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Dang, this sound is nice. Dang, she nice, bro. Man, y'all get this video to 50 likes, man. We gonna take this joint out on the road. If y'all want the road video, man, get this joint to 50 likes. And we gonna do a road video with it. That don't smell good, sound good. Alright, I know this don't got a racing clutch. Let's see if I still got it, y'all. Let's sit, y'all. Right here, y'all still got a good cockpit view? Why I say it ain't going first? Did I hit something? No way, y'all. I know I got some power wash stuff. Oh! We good. We good money. Woo-hoo-hoo!